Introducing Chico, Manilcara saputa of the family Saputaceae. Chico is a small to medium size mini bronze tree 5 meters tall. Stems and leaves have milky sap. Leaves are shiny green, leathery, petioled, oblong to narrowly oblong ovate, 12 centimeters long and crowded near the end of the branches. Flowers are axillary and solitary in the uppermost axils. Calyx segments are six, corolla lobes are six, small, imbricate, and brownish pubescent outside. Fruit is fleshy, edible, rusty brown, and ovoid or subglobous. Pulp is sweet when ripe. Chico is native to Mexico. It was introduced to the Philippines during the Spanish period. It is widely cultivated throughout the country. It is a popular fruit and shade tree. It is propagated by seeds or by marketing. Different parts of the chico are used in traditional medicine. The bark is made into a tea that is said to stop dysentery. The leaves are boiled into a drink to help with diarrhea, colds, and coughs.